Hey, dear friends, hope you are doing good. Today, I came with 14 designs. Creating symmetrical design is always fun, even more fun to watch. I hope you will like this video, so do watch it till end. If you also want to create some symmetrical designs, it is easy to create, and even you can create better than of mine. Just open the Photoshop and create new document. Choose your desired orientation and resolution. Once you are satisfied, click on Create. Select the brush tool from the tool's left side, or simply you can press B, that is B for brush, in the keyboard. Now you can see at the top the last tool in right side. It is like a butterfly. Click and choose your symmetry and try to draw. If you do not find this tool, then you might need to download the latest version of the Adobe from their website. To practice each day, and you will increase your skills. Try different colors and also share your experience in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that my latest videos will be notified to you once I upload. Keep watching and keep